In Pennsylvania, 1829, George Wilson was convicted of robbery and murder, and he was sentenced to death. During that time, President Andrew Jackson gave him a pardon. A full pardon means you're free to go, you're free and clear as if you had never done any crimes whatsoever. George Wilson refused the pardon. They never had that happen before. So it went all the way up to the Supreme Court. The president offers a pardon, free and clear. You don't have to die. George Wilson says, I don't want your pardon. And the Supreme Court Justice John Marshall said this, and he gave a ruling that said this: a pardon is just a piece of paper. A pardon, the value of the pardon depends upon the acceptance of the person it's talking about. Justice John Marshall said this: it is hardly to be supposed that one under the sentence of death would refuse to accept a pardon. In other words, it's hard to understand why somebody would want to do that. But if it is refused, the pardon is null and void. Ladies and gentlemen, what Jesus Christ do? He offered you a pardon on the cross of Calvary. He gave me a pardon, free and clear, so I don't have to die and go to hell. He said, I'm giving you a pardon. It will be just like you've never sinned. It'll be just like you've never done anything wrong whatsoever. And as a 10-year-old boy, I accepted that pardon. And you want to look me up in the courthouse record, help yourself. It's going to say paid in full. He's one of my kids. He's free and clear. Who the Son sets free is free indeed.